In the heart of the Hebrides, where the wild winds call, lies the tranquil Isle of Coll, a treasure for all. With golden sands that glisten beneath the sun's glow, and blue waters that dance where the gentle waves flow. Here, friendships blossom like wildflowers in spring, as laughter and stories take flight on the wing. The rugged cliffs stand guard, steadfast and bold, whispering secrets of ages untold. Wildlife thrives in this haven so rare, from seabirds that soar to the cows roaming fair. Each moment a gift in this paradise found, where nature and kinship in harmony abound. So let us gather on Coll's sandy shore, with hearts full of joy and spirits that soar. In this tranquil retreat where the wilds meet the tame, we'll cherish our friendship and honour its name.